Hey guys! You know what? Sometimes we get so caught up in our daily lives that we forget to look up and appreciate the world around us. But did you know that the sun can be your best friend when it comes to finding your way? It's true. You gotta look up sometimes. The sky is not just a beautiful canvas, it's also a guide. The sun, in particular, can help you navigate if you know how to read its position. The sun can actually tell you which way to go. It's like having a natural compass right above you. Imagine being able to find your direction just by looking at the sky. It's like nature's very own GPS, yar. Here's a cool trick. You don't need any fancy gadgets or apps, just a bit of knowledge and you're good to go. In the morning when the sun comes up, it's always in the east. This is a universal truth no matter where you are on Earth. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So, if you're looking at the sunrise, east is right in front. This means that if you turn around, west will be directly behind you. It's a simple yet effective way to orient yourself. West is behind you, north is on your left side, and south is on your right. This method works every single time, and it's incredibly handy when you're out in nature or even in a new city. And south is on your right. Easy peasy, right? It's like having a built-in compass that you can rely on anytime, anywhere. Okay, now let's jump to lunchtime. This is where it gets fun. The sun's position changes throughout the day, and knowing this can be really useful. This is where it gets fun. Around noon, the sun is at its highest point in the sky. This is called solar noon, and it's a key time for navigation. Around noon, when the sun is super high up, it's usually a bit towards the south side. This means that if you know it's noon, you can use the sun to find south. So if you're standing with the sun right above you, you're facing south. This is a great trick to remember, especially if you're ever lost or need to find your way. So, if you're standing with the sun right above you, you're facing south. This is a great trick to remember, especially if you're ever lost or need to find your way. And don't forget, your shadow will be the shortest at this time. And what about when it's time to go home? The evening brings its own set of clues. As the day winds down, the sun starts to set. The sun goes down in the west, right? This is another universal truth. No matter where you are, the sun will always set in the west. So if you're watching a pretty sunset, west is right there in front. This means that if you turn around, east will be directly behind you, east is behind you, north is on your right, and south is on your left. This method is just as reliable in the evening as it is in the morning. And south is on your left. Just remember these simple things and you'll never get lost. It's like having a natural guide with you at all times. Just remember these simple things and you'll never get lost. It's like having a natural guide with you at all times. Plus, it's a fun way to impress your friends with your navigation skills, and you'll never get lost. It's like having a compass in the sky, always there to help you. Whether you're hiking, exploring a new city, or just out for a walk, the sun can be your guide. It's like having a compass in the sky, always there to help you. The more you practice, the better you'll get at using the sun to find your way. Always there to help you. So next time you're out exploring, just look up. The sky is full of clues that can help you navigate. So next time you're out exploring, just look up. The sun will always show you the way. It's a simple, natural method that anyone can use. The sun will always show you the way. Happy adventures, everyone. Remember, the world is a beautiful place, and the sun is your constant companion. Enjoy your journeys and stay safe.